Hello and welcome to my video about this quad CDP 99-2 or 99-2.CDP. This is one of the most painful units to work on you'll ever see. What was wrong with it? It was not really discs. And it is a very strange unit because it appears to have a Philips chipset and Sony laser. There's nothing to adjust, and I couldn't even measure the laser or anything because the box is made upside down. And I'll show you what that means in a moment. That's an old laser that I've replaced. This is just to show you that it plays CDRs, and then of course I'll play a couple of tones because although I know you hate them, but this is also for the owner to know that it's that the player meets the specs. So this is track number 8. I say 8. Go to 8. Okay, that's 8. I just don't know how to use it yet, and that will be 15, and it will play 15, and we can do a bit of a scroll forward, so it does it, and scroll backward, and these are the biggest interruption data layers and black dots. So the unit works properly, and well, let me show you how bad it is to work on. I've spent enormous amounts of time on it. So when I say that it is upside down, we'll have a look at this. So I'll turn off my power amp and I'll turn on the power on it and disconnect everything. Well, as you see, it is upside down because everything is mounted to the top of the case, and mechanism is upside down, so you cannot measure the laser because there's just no access to it, and I would have to make up extra leads to get it out and put it on a bench. So obviously at the factory they have a rig to do it, but even removing it because of the posts, and it has to come up vertically, and of course the tray keeps it in. It just it took some time to work out that you press that, you do this, then you remove the cover, and with the extended tray you can actually lift it up once you get rid of 4 screws, and then once you replace it all, you cannot check the laser power, you cannot adjust anything because, well, it's inside there. So it is a painful unit, but quads are well engineered and well made, and so once it's working, and I hope that it will work for many years. But most lasers are well adjusted at the factory, so it shouldn't be any problem. But I always like to check before I give it to the customer, but I just could not do it this time. So here it is. This is how quad 99-2 CDP looks like inside. It's got a simple Sony KMH 313-888 laser, which available still from local supplier for West Components. This is where I bought it. Well, thank you very much for your time. Until next time. Oh, there's a few, as far as technical things, there's like 5 regulators and as you see 5 fuses, so it is reasonably well made, although it is a sort of newer unit with, surface mount components, so and modern chipsets, so it's a modern unit. So sadly, the actual mechanisms are not that fancy, but it still sounds fine. Well, thank you very much. Till next time. Bye bye.